Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to select and edit multiple tabs in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize, duplicate, or delete several sheets at once, saving you time instead of handling them one by one. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your Workspace dashboard smoothly. Once you're logged in and viewing your Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet where you want to select and edit multiple tabs. Click on it to open the file. This will take you directly into the Google Sheets interface where all your individual sheets are displayed as tabs at the bottom of the screen. Now here's where the magic happens. Let's say you want to select multiple sheets, for example, Sheet 3, Sheet 4, and Sheet 5. Start by clicking on Sheet 3. This selects the first tab you want to work with. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, click on Sheet 5. What this does is select all the tabs in between, so Sheet 3, Sheet 4, and Sheet 5 will all be highlighted. This is a quick way to select consecutive tabs without clicking each one individually. With all three tabs now selected, you're ready to edit them. Right-click on any of the selected tabs, and you'll see a menu appear with several options. These options include delete, duplicate, copy to, change color, hide sheets, and move right or left. Each of these allows you to perform actions on all selected tabs at once, which is a huge time saver. Let's try duplicating them first. Click on Duplicate from the menu. You'll notice that Google Sheets creates exact copies of all three selected tabs. This is perfect for creating backups or templates. The duplicated sheets will appear right next to the originals with a similar naming pattern, usually adding a number or copy to the name. Now let's select multiple tabs again to demonstrate another feature. Click on one of the tabs you just duplicated, hold Shift, and click on the last one to select all three again. Once they're selected, right-click on any of them and choose Delete from the menu. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete these sheets. Click OK to confirm. All the selected tabs are now removed from your spreadsheet, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to select and edit multiple tabs in Google Sheets, whether you need to duplicate, delete, or organize them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.